Use the Prepare, Observe, Manoeuvre routine so that you can move off safely and head towards the car that you will be reversing behind. Check your mirrors and decide if you need to signal before you pull up. You should pull up about a metre away from the car, parallel to it, and so that the front of your car is just past the target vehicle. Use your wing mirror as a guide to help you judge this. Prepare in reverse gear. Check all around to make sure it's safe, and if it is, reverse backwards to the point of turn. The point of turn is when the back of your car is about level with the back of the target vehicle. Pause and check all around again to see if it is safe to continue. If it is, move slowly backwards while steering full lock to the left. When the car is at a 45-degree angle from the curb, take off the full lock to straighten the wheels. Now reverse straight back to get the car closer to the curb. As the curb disappears out of the left door mirror, steer right to full lock. You should be checking all around throughout the manoeuvre, but mostly look out of your back window as that's the direction you are travelling. When the curb is almost in the centre of the back window, check around to see the position of your car. Look in your left door mirror to see when you are almost parallel with the curb. Then quickly steer left to take off the full lock, stop the car and put the handbrake on. I teach this particular method to my students. This method may be slightly different to what you've seen before, but using full locks of the steering wheel will help you get into much smaller gaps.